Hey, what's up guys, today we will talk about CB cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.000108. Its volume is around $1.2 million and its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain and it is listed today. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy CB coin and we will open CB coin portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened. Its rank is 2699. Around 1742 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is cb.finance and this is its price $0.000108 and BTC is 4.39% down, ETH is 2.80% down. Its low price is $0.0001 and high price is $0.000108. Its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contact address. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 92 million CB coin. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is 1000 trillion CB coin. After that we will open its website and click on cb.finance. I have already opened this website and we can join on Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram and other social media. And these are menu bar like onboarding, charity, tokenomics and FAQ. We can buy cb.finance on PancakeSwap and the world first token combining an ultra-static DAO with SafeMoon tokenomics. Meet CB, handicapped bro CB. Don't judge him by how he looks, he got a brilliant mind. CB has designed a world-changing token to reward our community for our goal of giving disabled goals representation through our fully automated decentralized autonomous organization. No individual will have direct access to charity fund. Instead, the CB community will decide on proposal and criteria. How to buy CB? Step 1, Step 2 and Step 3. Download Trust Wallet, purchase BNB and enter the coin address and buy, swap the coin. 1% charity, 2.5% permanently burned, 1.5% back shareholder, 2% permanently locked liquidity. And our mission at CB Finance is to microfinance as many those shelters as possible in the highest need areas our DAO can find. Contact address CB token tracker CB, total supply 1 quadrillion, team allocation we are here to long term, that's why all team token have been locked up to 2 years. And detailed information, tokenomics 28% pre-sale, 45% burn, 17% locked liquidity, 8% team funds locked and 0.56 DX sale fee. And deflationary supply 2.5 of each transfer on trade is permanently burned. Liquidity growth 2% of each transfer on trade is permanently added to the liquidity pool. Charity funds 1% of each transfer or trade added to the charity funds control DAO. Frictionless yield, by just holding CB you earn passive income through settle reflection and security. Team funds lock applied and battle proofed, permanently low liquidity and proof. And charity funds and the DAO. Contact charity, set up a proposal, vote and DAO execution. And this is roadmap. DAO smart contractor developed, pre-sale and DeFi launched. Community integration, help DAOs and bring CB. CB will not be silenced. We can join on Twitter, Telegram and other social media. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. And we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and click on Ethereum and here we can add money in our trust wallet, and we can add minimum $50 in our trust wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section and we will open Uniswap exchange. Go to Uniswap exchange and click on Uniswap exchange, and Uniswap exchange has been opened. After that we will click on select a token, and here we can search coin using name or its address, and we will select a coin like 1 inch. After that click on this icon, and here we will enter slippage according to your token, and after entered slippage we will enter number of coins here. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.